Do you need help to locate a replacement part for repairing your Davey pump? You're in the right place. We offer repair and replacement parts for all Davey Pump series starting from the BT series, HM series, to the Speedman series. We have a wide range of excellent quality, genuine replacement parts for all kinds of Davey pumps, including well pumps, jet pumps, shallow well jet pumps, deep well jet pumps, convertible jet well pumps, Davey centrifugal pumps, Davey booster pumps, Davey pressure boosters, Davey water booster pumps, irrigation pumps, submersible water pumps. The Davey replacement pump parts and repair kits comprise booster pump parts, water pump parts, pump repair kits, Davey rebuild kits, pump motors, pump impellers, mechanical seals, pump seals, shafts, sleeves, pump housings, pump bearings, gaskets, wear rings, and pump rotating assemblies. Pump Products is a leading Davey Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Davey Pumps and Parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.